acid and base volcano. Why, I don't know. So let's do it so I don't get doctor.
Better tell them why they're here, 'cause they just may run away from you. You'll never know quite when. Well, then again, it just depends on how long the time is left for you.
Beat.
This is me putting the acid and base and mixing it together. Now you see I am pouring it in. It took a long time because it was mixed and it was hard to get out. So basically what happens is the vinegar, the acid, mixes with the base, which is the baking soda, and makes an eruption that goes kaboom. This is the aftermath. Yeah. Let's go a little inside. Oh gosh. This is how it looks inside. It's black basically. So let's go clean it up. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching with my Charmander. I see you guys later. Peace. 1 like equals 1 prayer for Charmander. Help us stop Charmander abuse. Call 1-800-76 to stop it.